Hi everybody, today we are going to remove Dell 3542 sound IC. You can see it here. We will put some flags first. Okay, then we will set the workstation 300 Celsius. We will remove it. You have to circle it like this. You can see, right? Just circle until they hit the set temperature and remove it. Switch off the workstation and put it on the thinner. Welcome. Okay. Just removed. See, it is removed perfectly. And just clean the flags from the board. You can see it here. HDA27. This is a IC for the sound IC. This is the board number. See, you can see it. Carder Intel MB. This is the board. You can find it in the Google, the schematic, and find the sound card and remove it. Thank you for watching.